Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have a really handy little device here for preparing metal, stripping finishes off of it, and generally deburring, smoothing it out, making it perfect. This is the 3M bristle disc. This is the 4.5-inch 36 grit, and this thing is awesome. So it makes really quick work of preparing metal surfaces. It's got a nice large size, so you can cover a lot of area really fast. And what's great about this is that it has a ceramic abrasive-filled bristle that lasts for a long time. You can see that these bristles are a little bit flexible, and they are awesome for getting into corners and tight spaces, and they just do an awesome job of removing finishes. This also is a lot easier than using a wire brush, and you have to use a lot less pressure, so overall it just makes the job a lot easier. So if you have a big metal job coming up and you need to prepare the surface, remove some finish, or generally clean it up, definitely check out this Scotch-Brite bristle disc. These things are awesome, and that is my point of view.